One problem I face in Adobe Premiere Pro is not having my supported language for transcription. If you want to make caption from any video, then you need to transcribe it first. But Adobe has a limited number of languages that support the transcription correctly. You can see these are the languages that you can use for the transcription currently in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you use their native transcription model, but if you use third-party plugin, maybe you can transcribe your supported language, but it will cost few extra bucks. For this process I use CapCut. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut to transcribe your video and to make the caption for Adobe Premiere Pro so that you can animate the caption in After Effects later. So let me show you how you can do that in Adobe Premiere Pro. If I get back to Adobe Premiere Pro, here is a video that I have imported, and if I play it back,
করে থাকেন কিভাবে আমরা আমাদের জিভ পরিষ্কার করতে পারি কিছু
maybe you'll not understand the video because the spoken language of this video is Bengali. I am from Bangladesh, and if you're someone who is from other country and if your video is not supported by Adobe Premiere Pro, you can also use the same method because it supports a wide variety of languages. So if I try to first use the native transcription model of Adobe Premiere Pro, I have to go to the text, and from here I can transcribe. So if you don't see text panel, you can go to window, and from here you can enable the text panel. And if you try to transcribe it, you'll see it will still give you a few English words. That is not actually what was the spoken language of this video. So I don't want to use that. Suppose this is the video and I want to make a transcription of this video. What I can do, I can just go to CapCut and I can make a new project there. So create new project, and simply I can drag that video file here on CapCut. So if you don't want to import the video, you can just export the video as a mp3 audio file that will consume less storage, and then you can just take the audio file in CapCut and follow the process that I'm going to show you. Click and drag the video or audio, whatever for your case. Here on the timeline, it will make a new timeline, and go to the text option, and from here go to auto caption and select the language, especially the spoken language of your video. You can also use auto detect, but I have found that if you select the exact language, it will work better. So for me, it is Bengali. You can see it supports a wide variety of languages in CapCut. So I'm selecting Bengali, and from here, if I click on generate, it will make the captions. Once it make the caption, then you can format the caption as you want. You can correct the typos, and then you can export it. So here is the caption. If I play it back,
দাঁতমারি সুরক্ষায় যেসব টিপস আমরা ডেন্টাল সার্জনরা দিয়ে থাকি তার মধ্যে অন্যতম টিপস
yeah, perfect. And usually CapCut works very fine for me. I have found the accuracy rate of CapCut for transcription is very good. So let's format the caption. If you zoom into the timeline, you can see there are some space. You can just extend the caption duration just like that. If you extend it, then you will not have blank space. Like here you can see the caption and then blank space. There isn't any caption, so just extend it to have a better flow. So once you do that, then go to the caption, and from here you can correct the typos. So suppose here, if you see any typos, just double click and make the correction. And if you want to have single word caption, then you need to also do that from here, because once you import it Adobe Premiere Pro, you cannot do it. So here just click and then press enter to just make single word caption like that. It will split the caption in single word. So if I play it back, you'll see here is single word. So if you want to do that, just click and then press enter. It will not take a lot of time once you get used to with it. Once you do the typo correction and splitting the caption in single words or whatever you like, then it's ready to export. Go to the export, and from here just deselect the video. just deselect it, and from here just select caption only. If you select the caption, then it will export this video as a caption file. From the format you can select SRT, because we are going to use the SRT file to input it in Adobe Premiere Pro. And from here you can select a folder. For me, I'll select our project folder and then rename it transcription. And then if you click on export, it will export the file as a SRT file. You can just click open folder to see the file. Let's get back to Adobe Premiere Pro and import this caption in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here in text panel, you'll see caption. Just click here and then click on import captions from file. And from here, select the file that you have just exported. For me, it's transcription.srt. Click on import. It will open a new window. Just click on OK. It will import the caption, and if I play it back, you will see this is single word caption. This font is broken because we need to select a supported font. So I'm just selecting all the captions and going to properties, and from here I'm selecting a supported font, maybe in Shiliguri, and then I can position the caption where I want. I can adjust the position maybe here, and then I can increase the font size. Now if I play it back, you will see the caption is working properly, and you will get pretty accurate caption using this method. Now you can just select all the captions, go to graphics and titles, upgrade caption to graphic, and select all of the elements and send it to Adobe After Effects for further animation. So that is the easiest way that I have found for unsupported language to make caption from the transcription. If you have any better method than this one, then you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to explore that. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.